Thinking about using Skycoach to rank up faster or complete difficult content in your favorite game? Is it actually safe, legitimate, and worth paying for in 2026? Here's everything you need to know before spending your money. Introduction. Skycoach is an online boosting and gaming services marketplace that helps players progress in popular games like World of Warcraft, Destiny 2, Valorant, League of Legends, Rocket League, Apex Legends, Diablo 4, and many others. But with so many similar platforms available, is Skycoach the right choice? Let's look at its features, pricing, pros, cons, and whether it's worth using. What is Skycoach? Skycoach connects customers with experienced gamers who provide services such as rank boosting, raid and dungeon carries, coaching, power leveling, achievement unlocks, in-game currency, and other progression services depending on the game. For many games, you can choose between self-play, where you play alongside professional players, piloted boosting, where a booster logs into your account and completes the service for you. The platform also offers estimated completion times and customer support throughout the process. Pricing and user experience. Skycoach doesn't have fixed pricing. Costs depend on the game, your current rank, your target rank, the service type, delivery speed, etc. Compared to many competitors, prices are generally competitive, although premium or express services cost more. The website is clean and easy to navigate. Ordering a service only takes a few minutes, and most listings clearly explain what is included before checkout. Is Skycoach safe and legit? Skycoach is a legitimate platform that has been operating for several years and has built a large customer base. It offers secure online payments, live customer support, order tracking, refund policies for eligible situations. However, there is an important point to remember. If you choose piloted boosting, you are sharing your account with another person. Many game developers prohibit account sharing in their terms of service. While many customers complete orders without issues, there is always some level of risk, including account warnings or penalties depending on the game's rules. If you want the safest option, self play services are generally the better choice because you keep control of your account. Pros and cons. Pros: supports many popular games, wide variety of boosting and coaching services, easy ordering process, responsive customer support, competitive pricing. Cons: piloted boosting may violate some games' terms of service, prices can become expensive for high rank services, delivery times may vary during busy periods. Final verdict. So is the Sky Coach worth it in 2026? If you are looking for experienced boosters, coaching, or help completing difficult content, Sky Coach is one of the more established gaming service platforms available. Just remember that any service involving account sharing carries risks depending on the game's policies. If account safety is your top priority, choose self play whenever possible. Overall, Skycoach earns a 4.4 out of 5 for its wide game support, user friendly experience, and reliable customer service. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other reviews comparing Skycoach with platforms like G2G, Eldorado, and Overgear. Thanks for watching and goodbye.